없어요. 내가 이 총을 쏘면 보고서를 겁나 써야 되거든. 그래서 말인데 니들 총 좀 쓰자. 지금!
지났는데 왜 안 나와? 몰라, 어쩔 수 없어. 파티마, 컴온! 빨리!
Hello viewers, so in this video, I'm Sylvia and my friend Ineke will talk about the strategy analysis and choice. So these chapters focus on generating and evaluating alternative strategies. The strategy analysis and choice seek to determine the best alternative that will enable the firm to achieve its missions and objectives. A comprehensive strategy formulation framework. Important strategy formulation techniques can be integrated into a three-stage decision-making framework, which include 9 techniques, which require the integration of intuition and analysis. The first stage of strategy formulation analytical framework is the input stage. The input tools require strategies to quantify subjectivity during early stage of the strategy formulation process. The second stage is the matching stage. The matching stage of the strategy formulation framework consists of 5 techniques, which are the SWOT matrix, the SBACE matrix, the BCG matrix, the IE matrix, and the grand strategy matrix. The first matrix from the matching stage is the SWOT matrix, or the Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, Threats matrix. The SWOT matrix is an important matching tool that helps managers develop 4 types of strategies. The second matrix is the Strategic Position and Action Evaluation, or SPACE matrix. This 4-quadrant framework indicates whether aggressive, conservative, defensive, or competitive strategies are the most appropriate for a given organization. The axes of this space matrix represent 2 internal dimensions and 2 external dimensions. These 4 factors are perhaps the most important determinants of an organization's overall strategic position. These are the examples of the strategy profiles. The first is the aggressive profiles. This curve shows that it has the upright line and shows that a financially strong firm that has achieved major competitive advantages in a growing and stable industry. The second is the conservative profiles, which has the up left line, and it shows that a firm that has achieved financial strength in a stable industry that is not growing. The third is the competitive profiles. This competitive profile curve shown that it has the bottom right line, and it shown that a firm with major competitive advantages in a high growth industry. And the last is the defensive profiles. This defensive profiles curve shown that it has the bottom left line, and it shown that a firm that has a very weak competitive position in a negative growth stable industry.
The Boston Consulting Group matrix is designed specially to enhance a multidivisional firm's effort to formulate strategy. The BCG matrix graphically portrays a difference among divisions in terms of relative market share position and industry growth rate. This is the example of BCG matrix with the divided by 4 quadrants versus question marks, stars, Casco, and dogs. Internal-external matrix position and an organization various division is in a 9-cell display. This internal and external matrix have similarities with the BCG matrix, but there are some important differences between the BCG matrix and the EA matrix. Internal and external matrix consists of 9 cells of division. It's like a quadrant. The first, second, and fourth quadrant consists of grow and build. The 7 and 5 and third quadrant hold or maintain market penetration, product development. The 8, 9, and 6 consists of harvest or divest is retrenchment or divestiture. In the internal and external matrix consists actually maintained in the backward, forward, horizontal integration, market penetration, market development, and product development. In addition to the SWOT matrix, space matrix, BCG matrix, and IE matrix, the grand strategy matrix has become a popular tool for formulating alternative strategy. All organizations can be positioned in one grand strategy matrix for strategy quadrant, which consists of different types of strategy. Decision stage. Decision stage is analysis intuition provide a basis for making strategy formulation decision. The matching technique just discussed reveals the feasible alternative strategy. In this decision stage, there is divided by 2. First is quantitative strategic planning matrix, and the second is positive features and limitation of the key SPM. The aspect of strategy choice is beneficial to view strategy management from a cultural perspective because its success often tests upon the degree of support that strategy receives from a firm's culture. Governance issue is the National Association Corporate Direction defines the governance issue as the characteristic of ensuring that long-term strategic objectives and plan are established and that the proper management structure in the place to achieve those objectives, while at the same time make sure that the structure function to maintain the corporation integrity, reputation, and responsibility to its various constituency. The of strategy choice is successful strategies ensure all major powers based within an organization were represented in or had access to top management. Following technique used by politicians for the centuries can aid strategies. First is equifinality, satisfying generalization, focus on order issue or five political assets or important issue.